Solana. We're talking about Ethereum. Raheem, what's going on with Sol?
Okay, so it's been made known that Google has now started validating blocks on the Solana blockchain, and this actually has me interested in Solana now. At first, I didn't like Solana because it was all having all of the network outages, but you got a big business player like Google coming in with their technology, and they're saying, "Hey, Solana, like from here on out, our chain is not going down no more." You know what I'm saying? They like, "Hey, Google got our back. They got some money to come in and help us out with this." So in terms of on a business standpoint, I kind of see Solana as kind of like Apple, maybe too crazy, but kind of like the Apple. They got the aesthetic and things like that. The Apple of crypto. So I'm actually interested in Solana now. It is still a heavily centralized chain, like we said. None of this stuff is really decentralized, but I'm pretty interested in Solana now with Google becoming a validator on the network.
Yeah, before all those outages and all that, I saw that Solana, the transaction per second, shits on Ethereum. I mean, it makes it look like child's play. The amount of transactions that you can do on Solana in I think
Yeah,
a second or 10 minutes, it's just a complete separation from Ethereum. Ethereum is still quite slow, and people would argue that Bitcoin is still quite slow, but there is time, and
Inexpensive,
this shows
slow
you
and
how
expensive.
early. Exactly, the
mhm,
gas fees. This shows you how early we are. There's still so much. There's still so many problems with the space that when these things get fixed, it it will validate a higher price. Once
yeah,
these things like Solana outages not being as frequent, it will validate its all-time high and exceed it. Every day that the Bitcoin network doesn't fall or get hacked, it validates a higher price than yesterday. So the fundamental value of these companies, technologies, day by day, if you're watching and paying attention, it should be increasing. You should be looking for things that are expanding during times of contraction, as 19 Keys says.
So, in short, we got just this week, so they want to let us believe JP Morgan was messing around with the Polygon network, which is Matic. Google announced that they are working on the node infrastructure for Solana, right? And then we already know that the Ethereum mainnet has been live and has had companies already working on it. We already know that the Lightning Network has several companies. We are working on it. We already. What I'm basically saying is, put your company on a node, right?
mhm,
You got. It's a smarter way to do business. These guys are not playing to lose this game. And I agree with what you said. I was never really a huge fan of Solana. I'll be honest. I remember telling Xavier a lot. Like, man, that thing's been that their network bridges have been destroyed so many times. I would never put my money in there.
Yeah, you were
But
saying
with
that when it was like 60, it was up there too.
and and it's like Google coming in, like you said, it validates them a little bit. It's gonna beef up that security. It's gonna give them an opportunity to make some headwinds on stepping up and competing with Ethereum.
And it makes you wonder, what does Google see in Solana? What does
yeah.
Google see in Solana that makes them want to invest in the network itself and help build the infrastructure? Am I tripping, or does Google own IBM, that like supercomputer, or is that not Google?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure if they own IBM. They may own some portions of some tech or something. But
Yeah,
don't sleep. Like Google is that's a
the cloud.
that's an extension of the government, if you ask me.
Yeah, man.
It's just as good as gold.
And
That's like the
let's not
U.S.
forget.
government buying into Solana.
The worldwide government, not even just the U.S. government. That's the worldwide government.
Right.
Let's not forget about the Solana phone. The
Oh, yep.
Solana phone
Mm,
with the how bad? Because let's be honest, nobody has a Google Pixel phone for real. With how bad the Google Pixel phone has been, they may be looking at this as an opportunity because the Solana phone is strictly, focused on Web3. So they may be looking at Solana as an opportunity to upgrade, their mobile phone game too. You know, they may come in and do a little work on that. So, and
I didn't
Solana's
actually
sitting
didn't
at
think about that.
I
$35 right now.
never thought about that
I
before.
never thought about that
That
before,
this
man.
nigga is
That
crazy.
is actually, I never thought about it that
That's
way, but that is
genius.
crazy. That is kind of genius. And now it makes more sense for Google because I was kind of like, what do they see in Solana? But yeah, that actually makes perfect sense. They can expand into so many areas.
And now you got Google with the Oculus and the VR and the AR. You get some Google glasses attached with Solana. You can look at the register, and your Solana will get taken out. I mean, the shit could get really, really wicked. It could get wicked quick. Like
Yeah.
4 years, 3 years is a long time.
Google is a
And
massive company.
now they got the whole Solana blockchain in the Google Cloud. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, I think Solana is sitting at $35 right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about getting in on some Solana now. Now that we're talking about it for real.
Yeah, man. I
I'm
think
trying to
Ian.
I'm trying to get like Google and get. I'm gonna be a validator on Solana now, man. I'm gonna go check out and see how I can get me a node running on Solana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think Ian Dunlap mentioned a while ago. I think he mentioned 14. Was it? It was 14 or 12. And
this may be a
man,
period.
yeah, man, it's that time accumulation during times of
I thought Solana was
contraction.
dead though. I thought Solana was
I
dead.
did too. I ain't gonna lie. I
Yeah.
didn't think they would recover like to where they could have been. I was always really impressed with their NFT networks and their blockchain, but it just got taken down too many times for me to really put any heavy money behind it. You know what I'm saying?
Especially during that Luna time period, it was going
Right.
down. Even then, like do all that, it was
What
a very
happens when a company like Microsoft partners up with a company like Cosmos,
mm.
blockchain company like Cosmos? What happens when Apple partners up with like a Cardano, or you know what I mean? What happens when these Fortune 500 companies really start going to work on the blockchain for real? We're looking at gains that our minds can't even really wrap around.
the
Amazon
enti-
was just trading at what like 1,500 like
oh
six
my
months
god,
ago.
the entire market cap is around $1 trillion, and they're teaming up with companies that are trillions
$1 trillion company.
themselves. The
$1 trillion company.
entire crypto market cap is just 1,000, and they're incorporating and teaming up with companies that themselves are worth multiple trillions. This is
And when
people
they
don't.
do, I thank Allah. I thank Allah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man,
Facts.
it's gonna be a bull market we haven't seen since the 1920s.
We don't even really know what that looks like. If you got
Nope.
into some of these coins at $5, $10, $30, $100, you don't even really know what it could potentially look like. I was reading somebody said a Bitcoin could be at 12 million in 10 years. It could be
Easily.
trading one Bitcoin could be 12 million. They said Ethereum could be 250,000 in 10
There's
years.
not enough Bitcoin for each billionaire to get one.
Right. Like it could just drive the price up, something like we've never seen.